Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm just going to do a little example here of case-insensitive search. So first of all, what I've done, I've created this little program here. I've created a scalar variable pointing at my desktop. So here you will see the unique path to my desktop. Your desktop path will be different to this, so you're going to have to choose your own desktop path. Then we do chdir, change directory into that path. Now I've created a subroutine called search keyword 2. So I'm going to be searching for a keyword, a particular keyword in a text file. Now to start off the program, I've used the print command and told the user to enter the keyword into the search. Then I've done a chomp for the new line and I've created another scalar variable called KW, which is short for keyword, and I've assigned it to stdin, standard input, to get the input from the user for when the user types in the keyword. Now I'm going to work with the file, so I'm going to open the file. So I created a file handler here and I've created this here, which is the symbol to read. So there's a file on my desktop called details.txt. Okay, so that's the file that I want to read for a particular keyword. Then I've done a generic error handler called ORDI, giving it a message error reading. Now I'm going to do the while loop to loop through the lines in there. So I've got created a new variable called scalar line and assign it to file handler. So we're going to look through those lines and then we've come on to the conditional, which is going to evaluate it. So the evaluation is if the scalar line, and this here matches the keyword that I've typed in here with the I, which is a case insensitive search, which will search basically for any case and match the pattern in any case. So then we print the keyword found, and then we do the last to exit the program. Or else, this is the error handler here, we're going to print searching, and then we're going to print the keywords that we searched through. The keyword, we're going to print the keyword, not the keyword we searched through, the keyword, and then a message not found, and this is a new line character here. Okay, just out of a matter of interest, I've done another little example for you, and this example is searching in an array, so for case sensitive stuff and that. So I've created a subroutine called search array. I've created an array here called names, and I've done it the quick way by using QW, which is quoted words. So I've got Bill, which is all uppercase, and I've got Bill here, which is capitalized, and I've got a lowercase Bill here. Again, we've got the print command to tell the user what to do, which is to enter a name to search. And then we've got the standard input to take that name, and then we've got the foreach loop because we're going to loop through it, and we're going to use the scalar variable to loop through each one of these positions in the array. Okay, so and then we use the conditional to do the evaluation if, and the grep for search, this scalar variable here is equal to the name in the names array, then we're going to print the name has been found, or else print the name has not been found. Okay, this is an idea for another one of my videos here that I've done, so hopefully I won't forget it. Okay, so we're going to do the first one, search keyword 2. Search. This is how we call it, by the way. Keyword 2. I think, let's run this. Yeah, okay, I think there's a lowercase Dave in there, so put Dave. Dave found, that's right, that's a lowercase Dave. Let's run it again. Dave. Okay, Dave found because it's case insensitive, this. Let's try another variation on Dave. So Dave, oh, spelled Dave wrong. Whoa. We'll get there in a minute. Okay, there we go. That's another variation on Dave. Okay, Dave found. So you can see that's case insensitive. So it doesn't matter how you write it. Okay, we're going to do search array here. This example. Maybe I should have made those a little bit bigger. Search array there. So let's just save that. Let's just run it. We've got Bill. So if I type in Bill, okay, Bill found, Bill not found. So what we've done is we've looped through that array. So we've found the uppercase Bill, but for the other Bills it's saying not found because they're not all uppercase. Let's try it again. Let's try search for lowercase Bill. Let's try this. Okay, lowercase Bill. Okay, so it's gone through element 1 not found, element 0 not found, element 1 not found, and then element 2 it's found Bill. Let's see if we can search for the capitalized Bill here. So capitalized Bill, let's see if it'll find it. Bill, hit enter, yeah, so it's done it. Bill not found at position 0, but Bill has been found at position 1. So there you go, folks. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscription button below, give it a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.